Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change API into your Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget wallet application, and after opening the Bitget wallet you will get to see this homepage. Just simply tap there and then select this four circled icon into the top left corner. After selecting that, you will get to see this option of advanced settings directly. Tap into advanced settings and then you will get this option of select line. Just simply select the select line option. Now after coming into this page, you will get to see this line 1, line 2 and this row, and then you will get to see this option of API into the right side where you can select between any of these. Just simply select the suitable line and API for you. This way you can easily change the API into your Bitget wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.